I said, who don't know me? I said, who don't know me? We're not dead yet. We're not dead yet. We're not dead yet. I've been looking, I've been searching. My lost, my work. But I'm the ordinary. What do you see? I got it. Everybody! Somebody go read about me. Hold on. If you love Brother Boy, make some motherfucking noise. If you love y'all, make some motherfucking noise. Baba, you know say I deal with you, you don't understand. I did like umbrella, we cover you, you don't understand. We bounce, edge to edge. You don't understand. Man tell you one story now for you, you don't understand. As it be. See, every day the Versace shit that they wear, they are very bad. Suddenly the Versace shit that happy is that they shine. They make me something TV and do it, just they shine. They might hear something. Wait, DJ, what's the worry? See, said it was 2010 and I drank my single. I was skinny and my face was full of pimple. Every time they say this music industry simple. I got use my eyes to say no be so they tingle. No be say I won't blow with one track. In my music really we are not know we come back. Read him up, star, read him up. Quick fast. Yeah. Who don't know me? Ladies and gentlemen, man, thank you all for the support you've given us, you got me? Without you, there'll be no me. You understand? Before I go, I'm going to sing a little something for the ladies, you understand? Where the ladies are, sing come on, looking real good, you understand? Listen. You see my dark shades on, I got see you, but you know something. You see my dark shades on, I got see you, but you know something I see. My day and low, say don't be surprised when I see. I might say hello, say don't be surprised when I say hello. Hello, you should be having beg you. You saw me coming to you don't say I know me. I said you know what? I said I'm here with the goddamn lighters and boots up. I said I'm here with the goddamn lighters and party and boots up. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I'm done.